In front of me is Google Pixel 4a, and let me show you how to check total screen time on the following device. So at first you need to reach the settings, then find and select digital well-being and parental controls, and here tap on show your data. And as you can see right in front of you, you've got the statistics, and if you click in the middle of the screen, you'll be able to check some further details, so you can check the stats for each application itself. And obviously you can go back in time and check the previous statistics, but as you can see, this is the first day with Google Pixel for me, so that's why I've got these stats for today only, but obviously you will have everything right here. And this is it, that will be all. This is how you can check total screen time. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.